Hello everyone, welcome to interviewbuddies.com. In today's video, we are going to talk about a Python library called as NLTK or Natural Language Toolkit, which is used for your natural language processing and text analysis. It is designed to support research and development in NLP field. It's very interesting library. It provides a suite of tools and resources for tasks such as tokenization, stemming, tagging, parsing, and semantic reasoning. So we are going to talk about that and then run a small Python program on how to do sentiment analysis using this library. So let's get started. On my screen, you can see I have the workbook open, and in my first cell I have this pip installed NLTK. I'm not going to run it again because it's already installed. In the second cell I'm importing NLTK and some other libraries related to it. So let's run this. Right, in the second cell a few things happening. We have this NLTK download PUNKT and NLKT download when Vader lexicon. So what are these? This is your tokenizer model. So here we are saying download this model. This is the tokenizer model, and then it includes, it's a data package. Basically it's a data package that includes pre-trained tokenizer model. It is used for tokenizing the text, which means splitting a string into individual words or sentences. This tokenizer is particularly effective for English and works by identifying the boundaries between words and sentences. Right, so the main purpose, you can say, of this tokenizer is to tokenize text into words or sentences. The second download is a data set. Vader underscore lexicon is a data set that includes a lexicon, a dictionary of words specifically designed for sentiment analysis, which is included into our main NLTK library. Right, so the purpose of this tool is to perform sentiment analysis on text data. On the next line we have the simple text, which is on which we are going to run the sentiment analysis. On the next line we have these word underscore tokenize, which is tokenizing the text. On the next line we are appending a counter to it, like how many tokens are present of each word. So that's getting printed here. And then we are initializing a analyzer sentiment intensity analyzer object, and then we are calculating the polarity scores of the text. What the polarity scores are? So polarity scores are like, if your text is like contains positive, negative, neutral, those kind of words or scores. So this will give us that score. And then once we have that, this is like getting the sentiment out of that. Once we have the polarity scores, it means that's the sentiment, and then we are plotting the sentiments based on labels versus scores. So labels is your sentiment dot keys, and scores is like the values of each sentiment, and then we are just plotting it. So let's run this cell. Yeah, so you can see we have printed tokens. So the whole text is divided into tokens. It's tokenized, so you can see all the tokens here. We have token counts. The language is coming as 2 times, so you can see language here, and everything else is 1 count. So that's how the token counter is. Now our sentiment is negative, like there's no negative polarity score on this one. The neutral is less than 1, around half, and then same for positive, and compound is mixed, like almost closer to 1. So this is our sentiment for this particular piece of text. Now let's plot it. So if I run this, so you see a beautiful bar plot. On the bottom we have the sentiment, which says neutral, positive, and compound, and on the y-axis we have the scores. So that's how we can run the sentiment analysis using this NLTK library. It's very handy. I have another video which in which I'm running sentiment analysis, so you can watch that as well, which is like, not in that video I have not used any of these libraries, and then you can come back to this video and watch this again to see how different this NLTK is and how easy it is to use. So thanks for watching and hope you like it. Don't forget to hit subscribe button. Thank you very much.